Hello, this is Kimberly Gosney, and today I am sharing with you a tutorial on how to install Updraft backup protection for your WordPress website. It's one of my very favorite backup protection services to use because it is free, and free is always great. Plus it is super easy to use as well. So I think that it is definitely something that you might want to check out. That is, unless you're using WP Engine to run your website. WP Engine also has your backups included in your cost of your monthly hosting fees. Okay, so you want to be in the back end or the dashboard area of your WordPress site, which you can get to by doing your site.com/WP-admin and then putting in your password and user information. Okay, so now we are going to click on the plugins. We're going to hover over it and click on Add New. Then if you do a search for Updraft, it should bring up two options. Updraft Plus, WordPress Backup and Restoration is the one that you want. So you're going to click on Install Now and click on OK. It takes sometimes a second or two for this one to load up. Then you're just going to click Activate Plugin. Okay, so now you can click on Settings. And this is where you can choose your options for how you want this plugin to work for you. So let's just say that you have arrived at your site and you want to go ahead and just back it up right now. Maybe you've never done a backup before, or maybe you're getting ready to make some changes on your site. It's always super important that before you make any changes that you go ahead and back up your site. So I'm just going to click the Backup Now button. And I always leave those unchecked. You don't have to have those, but of course you can set this up to work with your Dropbox account and just send your backups there. But for right now, just for the ease and sake of using it quickly, we're just going to click the Backup Now button. And I want to show you what happens. After you click Backup, it starts to go ahead and give you messages. You'll see your messages right in this area right here, and it was so quick because this is a new site that it actually says it's already succeeded and it's now complete. So then I'm just going to refresh the page, and you'll see that it says backup logs. I have one set available. So if you've been working on your site, let's say you did something and you updated a plugin or you changed something and you don't love what happened to your site. The reason that Updraft is so nice to work with is because all you have to do is click the Restore button, and it will give you the last time that you updated your website, and you just click Restore, and then it will say that it replaces everything unless you choose certain things that you want to be restored. But I'm just going to go ahead and click Restore. I'm going to go ahead and check off the things that I want to restore, and in this case I'm just going to restore everything. And then it gives you an option which you can look at to see if you're migrating a site. This is also a very helpful plugin to use if you plan to migrate from a temporary to a permanent site. And just click the Restore button. Then within a matter of a few minutes, it's going to go ahead and restore your site. It also backs your site up, and you just hit Restore again to go ahead and start your restoration process. So then over here it restores everything. Depending on how much you have on your site, it could take you a little while. And when it's done, it comes to Restore Successful. And that's it. That's how you back up and also how you restore a site using the Updraft Plus backup protection for your website. So again, a great free resource, a free plugin that you can use to back your site up every time before you make changes. Thanks, and bye.